In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Minecraft connection timed out error get to sock opt. So there's a couple of different ways that we can fix this. The first thing that you'll need to do is head over to your start menu and search for CMD. Then you need to right click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. In this window, you need to type in ipconfig /flush DNS and then hit enter. Once you've entered this command, you can close out of this window and then head back over to the start menu, search for control panel and click on the control panel window. Now at the top, make sure view by is set to large icons and then click on network and sharing center. From the left hand side, select change adapter settings and then locate your network from this list. Mine's this Wi-Fi one on the right, and we need to right click on this, select properties, and from this list of options, select Internet Protocol version 4. Click on properties, and right down here at the bottom, you'll need to select use the following DNS server addresses. Now in here, just type in the numbers 8888 and 8844. Then you can press OK to save the changes, close out of this window, and the last thing we're going to do is head back over to the start menu, search for Windows Defender, and then click on the Windows Defender Firewall. From the left-hand side, select Allow an Apple feature through Windows Defender Firewall, and then click on Change Settings right at the top here. Now you need to scroll all the way down and you're looking for Minecraft in this list. Once you've found both Minecraft and the Minecraft launcher, make sure private and public are ticked like so. Another thing to look for in here is a process called Java. It might be labeled either Java or Java w.exe, and you also need to make sure private and public are ticked for this process. I actually don't have it in my list, but if you do have it, make sure private and public are ticked. And then once you've set all of these changes, you can just press OK right at the bottom here, and then you could try launching up Minecraft, and that should have now fixed the connection issue. So that's it, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.